Hello and welcome to my short video on creating a step file for CNC machining using FreeCAD and uploading it to a website like Xometry to get a quote. I have found this exceptionally useful as some of the parts I need can't be 3D printed, the plastics won't be able to withstand the high temperatures, and in some cases the parts need to be capable of being magnetized. I won't attempt to explain how to use FreeCAD. My knowledge is limited and there are many others out there with excellent videos already. Once you are happy with the part design, select the part by clicking on it twice until it is highlighted green. Click on the File tab in the top left corner and go down to the Export button. Click on that and scroll down to the Step File option and save as a step file. Then by dragging this file and dropping it into the Xometry website, you will get options on what type of process of manufacture and material to use. For this particular part, an armature for a switching flux alternator, I need it to be magnetic, so it needs to be made from steel. Once the software has finished analyzing the geometry, it is then possible to change to the desired material, steel, and to the desired manufacturing process, CNC. Then, after getting a quote, choose the quantity required. The price per item drops significantly for 5, so I normally go with that for larger parts and proceed to checkout. I don't receive any payments from Xometry. Their service is invaluable to me as I don't have the money to invest in the machines to make the parts I can design on FreeCAD. Thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, you should smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.